This.
Alright, that's a promo, which is...
I'm gonna give you all three of them.
Oh! Alex.
I got nothing in the first pack.
I'm so serious.
I probably went minus, whatever.
Dude, Alex, I need it. You know me, I need it.
Another one of these?
How far are you with your deck?
Very far.
You got 3 priestess?
Yes.
Let me see.
I don't need to show you.
Number 69.
Oh,
Oh look, the shitty card! And Miracle.
What?
How many judgments do you already have?
None.
I have 2 already.
Great to know.
You pull shit right now? No, I mean, I pulled 7.
Yeah, those 2 packs I did not expect any hollows in them.
It's already $30 value.
I scaled them.
I mean, I make it 20 for
Shit.
How do you scale packs?
You feel them.
I should have recorded Alex, but Alex said no, you're not gonna record it.
Nothing.
Miracles. No, not Miracle.
No.
Miracle.
No Miracle.
Jerry, what's your offer?
You got it? Yeah, I traded my adjustment for his adjustment. Look, that one used to be mine. What's special about it?
It's newer.
This one is retro.
It's newer. It's more
It
mint.
has a new card smell.
20 minutes. It's 20 minutes. Wait, what you said?
Nothing.
It has a new card smell. It's like 20 minutes.
No.
So far minus.
Hmm?
Can I open the last one?
Not gonna happen. I know it's not gonna happen.
Oh, it's so hot in here.
Watch it happen.
I'm going
Oh wow.
outside. It's so hot.
Yeah, this shit.
What do you have? What did you pull?
With a sweater.
7 stars for Omega. Okay, that's great. And I pulled these 2 shits. These 2 shits is crap. And what else? Who you people pull? What do you guys pull? Crap?
I pulled your mom.
Okay.
Now you want full?
Like 3.
I go $1.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
What did you pull, Feng Chen? Okay, nothing?
Okay. I'm going to apologize to you now.
Alex, what did you pull?
Virgos? Judgment. And number 107.
If you see anything, awesome. If you don't, then it's whatever.
What did you pull?
Judgment, you saw it.
Okay.
2 maybe.
What did you pull?
Up to you. Not like everyone else.
Yeah?
I gave him 2 and you gave him all 50 and all.
What do you pull?
The $100
Is there anything in particular you're looking for?
judgment.
Oh, number one you want? Value?
That, like 6? I don't know. No one knows.
Whose book is this?
Stop it! Oh.
Little kid. Say hi. You pull that? Noble Arms of Destiny. Destiny. What do you guys pull?
You just looked at it.
What do you pull?
Right on the table.
This is like the
What do
same
you pull?
Better than you.
Yeah, I trade you my judgment for your judgment. Okay. All right. No, wait, no.
Say hi.
That's
No,
nice.
this is new. You're going minus.